He had his vaccine, guys, this man. He's so manana. This is how he show his pain. Keep laughing. He had his travel vaccine. How many did you have, baby boy?
Only 2.
How much
Two.
will I have?
You're gonna have 3.
Yeah, I'm a big boy, see?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't take
His birthday tomorrow. He's 13 tomorrow. 13. Ito, tingnan mo.
Birthday boy. You're not gonna take.
Kawawa naman.
You can't just take. You can't take
So
it.
numb.
Masakit daw yung ano niya,
Just
yung
go
braso
down
niya.
on my arm to it.
Ina-inject siya ng 2, guys. Tingnan mo gago. Shake it, baby. Up. Up your hands like that and shake it. Yung kawawa. Nako, yung mga anak ko kawawa. Before we go to Philippines, they need to have a vaccine first for the safety. Pwede mo siyang zoom in and zoom out. O, diba? Luna supposed to had as well today, 4 na vaccine. But nakalimutan namin. Luna gonna have 4. 2 arms. Each 2 arms.
You're numb.
What you're feeling is double. Me, I had 3. Tapos first week ng August, another 1 before travel.
I don't want to go to Kingsbury.
The good thing though, last day tomorrow at school.
It's not.
No, Friday.
One more.
Yeah, what I meant is Friday.
I don't want to go.
Ano pa naman niya, he go to Thomas' school. Kasi year 5 na siya, year 6 na siya this year, no? Sa September. So, maaga silang ini-introduce sa kanilang high school room teacher a year ahead. So, bukas siya pupunta sa school ni Thomas. Si Thomas ko sa year 8, turning year 9 this September. Si Gabriel, year 6 this September. Si Luna, reception. Diba? Malapit na akong lumaya. Gusto ko na mag-work kahit part-time. Sa tagal ko na hindi nag-work, ilang taon na. 15 years? 16 years? Oh my goodness. I need to put back out there.